You searched how to buy shares of SEK Limited. SEK is an online jobs marketplace and recruitment services company listed on CBOE Australia under the ticker SEK.ASX, and this video is educational only. To buy shares, you need a broker. Here I use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify the account, usually with an ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SEK.ASX to find the listing. Select the result that corresponds to SEK Limited on CBOE AUS. On the asset page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is SEK Limited. Make sure the exchange is listed as CBOE AUS and the ticker shows SEK.ASX before proceeding. Tap or click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once the order is executed, your new position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to explore the platform further.